How to sell tickets on Viagogo. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell tickets on Viagogo. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Viagogo, you could also use my affiliate link below the description for a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Viagogo, it is a prominent online ticket exchange and resale platform that was founded in London, in which it allows consumers to buy and sell tickets for a wide array of events including sports, music concerts, theater performance, and comedy shows. And as a multinational company, Viagogo operates in over 70 countries and offers access to more than 50 million live event listings through its network of global websites. And the platform charges a variable booking fee on top of ticket prices and facilitates secure transactions, ensuring that sellers are paid only after buyers successfully enter the event. And how to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the sign in button on the top right corner to proceed. Then you will be directed on this page right here, in which you can simply sign in using your email or password, or even log in using your Facebook account. Or to create an account, just click this button, create account, and just simply fill out all of this required information, including your first name, last name, email address, your phone number, and also to create your own password. And if you're now done signing in, you'll now be able to be directed on this page right here. And as you can see, we've now successfully create and sign in our account in here. It will show you under this profile. And now to start selling tickets, just click the sell button on the top panel and click sell tickets. Then you will be directed on this page, and it will show you that you can now start selling tickets by clicking the sell my tickets. Then just proceed by entering on the search bar the event of ticket that you're selling for. For instance, I'm going to enter here concert, and upon clicking the result, it will show us here the concert tickets. By clicking this one, it will show us all of the available result in here with its corresponding date. However, it is on February 2, which is only one event in all location with title Brass Music Concert. You'd also sort the date or even choose parking, VIP, or others. Or alternatively, you could also change the event that you want to sell. For example, at this point, I'm going to search Adele, and by clicking this artist result, we'll be able to see here all of the tickets that we can sell for these events. We have here 10 events available, or 10 dates available in all locations. So let's say we have a ticket that we want to sell on November 1, which is Weekends with Adele. So by clicking this one, we'll automatically be directed on this page right here. And it will show us that we can simply choose here the ticket type. We have here paper tickets, this e-ticket, AXS ticket, mobile ticket transfer, mobile tickets, and even mobile QR code. But in those options, let's say I'm going to use paper tickets, then below just simply enter the number of tickets. So for instance, we have here 2 tickets that are available that we want to sell. Now below, just simply choose the split type. We have here any, none, avoid leaving one ticket, or even avoid odd number. But I'm going to choose any, and below under enter seating details, you simply fill out all of these required details of your ticket, including the section details of your ticket, which can be found in your ticket that you're selling, such as the section, row, seating number, seat from, and any other details that will be helpful for the consumers or the customer who will purchase your ticket in here. And if you're now done filling out or entering here the seating details, we can now proceed by entering the face value below here, if you scroll down right here, in which the face value is the price printed on the ticket excluding any booking fees. So you can also choose here the currency and also the amount of prices per one ticket. For example, I'm going to enter here 1,500 US dollar per one ticket in here. Now under this About You section, just enter here neither of these event organizer or employed by Viagogo if you work for Viagogo or other organizer of this event. But in those options, I'm going to choose neither of these, and below, just select the restriction on use. So if any following restrictions or condition apply to your tickets, you can simply select here all of the options that are actually applicable to the tickets or indicate on the tickets that you purchase and you want to sell in here. So let's say I'm going to choose under 18 ticket, but as you can see, we have here a variety of options that we can choose from. Then below, just also select the required ticket details, including limited or restricted view, includes VIP Plus, and many more. So basically, all of these details are available or can be found on your ticket details. And as you can see, if you want to sell to people in the United Kingdom or Europe, just click this normal seller, which means that you are not a trader, in order to sell a customer in UK or Europe. And after that, below, just click the continue button. Then you will be able to be directed on this page. And now you can now start setting your price that you want to sell your ticket in here. As you can see, you can choose the currency in which you would like to be paid and simply enter here the amount in here. But below, it will show you that the ticket area are currently selling between 2,468 US dollar and 57,221.65. So you can basically use this kind of information in order to set your prices that you want to be paid. Well, on the right side panel, it will show you what is the amount you will receive, in which there's a deduction such as the website price, the seller fees, and even the tax. So basically from here, you can simply adjust in order to receive the amount that you prefer. So for example, I want to receive a 12,000 amount. So I'm going to enter here to customize these prices into 7,000 US dollar per ticket. And it will show you the result in here, that amount that I will receive if my ticket has been purchased. And by clicking this continue button, all you need to do from here is simply fill out all of this required information, including your address, your city, state or province, and many more. And after that, just proceed by clicking the continue button below to proceed. And it will show in here that your authentication code has been sent to your Gmail. So all you need to do is simply go to your Gmail account, then kindly copy this code that has been sent in your inbox. Then just simply go back on this page right here and paste the code that has been sent to your inbox. And by clicking the submit button, you will now be able to see here under choose billing country, in which all you need to do is simply choose your payment method. We have here provide later, PayPal, and many more. Well, on the right side panel, it will show you the amount that you will receive once your ticket has been purchased by other customers on this platform. But make sure that you also fill out all of this required information in order to successfully make a transaction. However, since I don't have any kind of ticket, we can now simply go back on this page. But in order to track the tickets that you're selling, just click under this My Tickets and click My Sales or listings in here. And by clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed on this page, and it will show you the amount of sales that you have, the open sales, the completed sales. Well, by clicking these listings, you'll be able to see all of your listings, including your active listings, pending, deactivated, and even sold or expired. And on the left side panel, you could also navigate here, this My Orders, Payments, Wallet, in order to track your balances in here. So basically, the primary purpose of Viagogo is to connect ticket sellers and buyers, offering a solution for those who may miss out on purchasing tickets through traditional means. But overall, that's just basically how you can sell tickets on Viagogo. Thank you.